大家好，欢迎你们到 Learn Chinese Nigeria. Hello everyone, welcome you back to Learn Chinese Nigeria. Okay, so today we are continuing our 900 Chinese sentence sharing. And we're already in sentence 61. Okay, let's go. So 61 sentence goes like this. 在做画吧，在做画吧. You can also say 在做一会儿吧. You can add 一会儿. 在做一会儿吧, which means won't you stay a little longer or can't you stay a little bit longer? Like can't you still stay more like that? Then 62, sentence 62. 我们还有事，我们还有事，我们还有事, which means we still have something to do or we have something else to do. Then 63, 我们回去了，我们回去了, which means we are leaving now or we are going back. We are going back now. We are going back. Then 64, 我们走吧，我们走吧，我们走吧, which means what? Let's go. Let's go. 我们走吧. Okay, 65. 65 go like this. 再见. 65 is 再见. 再见. 再见, which means goodbye. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. 再见.